Good morning. Today I talk you of MedBed, the revolution of futuristic medicine. MedBed, the revolution in medicine that will change everything. Discover MedBeds, the new frontier of healing. How MedBeds can transform medicine, everything you need to know. The future of healing is here. Introduction to MedBeds. Imagine a world in which diseases and injuries can be healed in minutes without invasive surgery. This future may be closer than we think thanks to MedBeds, one of the most revolutionary technological innovations in medicine. Imagine a world where healing happens within hours or even minutes, thanks to advanced technology. This is not a science fiction movie, but the promise of MedBeds, one of the most revolutionary innovations in medicine. Join us on this journey to the future of medicine, where science fiction could become reality.
MedBed, the revolution in medicine that will change everything. Discover MedBeds, the new frontier of healing. How MedBeds can transform medicine, everything you need to know. The future of healing is here. Introduction to MedBeds. Imagine a world in which diseases and injuries can be healed in minutes, without invasive surgery. This future may be closer than we think thanks to MedBeds, one of the most revolutionary technological innovations in medicine. Imagine a world where healing happens within hours or even minutes, thanks to advanced technology. This is not a science fiction movie, but the promise of MedBeds, one of the most revolutionary innovations in medicine. Join us on this journey to the future of medicine, where science fiction could become reality. In the future, MedBeds could become an integral part of hospitals and even homes. Their impact could be similar to what the internet has had on communication. MedBeds represent a technological leap that could transform the way we treat disease. The medicine of the future is already here, and it is changing the lives of millions of people. In this video, we explore 1. What are MedBeds? Let's discover together this advanced technology that uses cell regeneration and quantum therapy to heal the body. 2. How they work. We explore their potential to repair tissue, heal wounds and even regenerate organs. 3. Advantages over traditional medicine. How MedBeds could transform hospitals of the future, making many invasive medical practices obsolete. 4. Future perspectives, where MedBeds will take us and how they could change our daily lives and the healthcare system. Get ready to immerse yourself in a technology that seems straight out of a science fiction movie but may soon become a reality. 1. What are MedBeds? MedBeds are advanced medical devices that use a combination of cell regeneration, quantum therapy, and holographic technologies to treat the human body quickly and non-invasively. These futuristic beds could revolutionize medicine, going beyond current healing capabilities. They are based on the idea that the human body can be repaired at the cellular level, regenerating tissues, organs and even correcting genetic abnormalities. In essence, MedBeds could represent a fusion of medical science and advanced technology, similar to something we would see in a science fiction movie. 2. How they work. The operation of MedBeds is based on advanced scientific principles, such as cell regeneration and quantum therapy. MedBeds use scanning of the body at the molecular level to identify damaged or diseased areas. Once identified, these areas are treated with cell regeneration technologies that stimulate the body to heal itself, repairing tissue and regenerating organs. In addition, MedBeds can use advanced energy therapies, such as electromagnetic fields and quantum frequencies, to restore the body's natural balance and accelerate the healing process. This combination of innovative techniques could enable rapid and, most importantly, non-invasive treatments. 3. Advantages over traditional medicine. Compared with traditional medical practices, MedBeds offer several advantages. First, they can dramatically reduce recovery time, allowing patients to heal in a matter of hours or days, rather than weeks or months. This could revolutionize the way we treat disease, eliminating the need for complex surgeries or long-term therapies. In addition, MedBeds are non-invasive, which means patients could avoid scars, post-operative pain and complications related to surgery. Finally, with their ability to personalize treatments, MedBeds could offer more targeted and effective care tailored to each individual's specific needs. 4. Future prospects. Looking to the future, MedBeds could transform the healthcare landscape in unimaginable ways. Here are some of the most fascinating possibilities. Universal access. In a future when MedBeds are widespread, we could see these technologies available not only in hospitals, but also in local clinics and even in private homes. This could revolutionize access to care, making advanced treatments available to anyone, anywhere in the world. Cost reduction. Although medbed technology might seem expensive initially, their widespread use could significantly reduce overall healthcare costs by eliminating the need for lengthy hospitalizations and expensive treatments. Personalization of care. Medbeds could adapt to the specific needs of each patient, offering personalized treatments based on the individual condition, improving the effectiveness of care and reducing the risk of side effects. Impact on chronic diseases. The ability of medbeds to regenerate tissue and heal disease at the cellular level could offer new hope for treating chronic diseases such as diabetes, cardiovascular disease, and even some forms of cancer, radically changing the quality of life for millions of people. Anti-aging beds are another interesting innovation in the field of health and wellness. These beds use advanced technologies such as grounding and far infrared to improve health, relax, and potentially delay the signs of aging. Although they are not the same as medbeds, they share the idea of a future where technology can improve our well-being. 1. What is a medbed? A comprehensive overview. Medbeds are often described as futuristic medical devices that use advanced technologies to regenerate tissue, cure diseases, and even correct genetic abnormalities. They are based on a combination of cell regeneration, quantum therapy, and holography, offering a revolutionary way to treat the body at the molecular level. This part of the talk should focus on the concept and idea behind these beds, explaining the imagined technology and how it could change the landscape of medicine. 2. How they work. Technology behind medbeds. The approach is based on several principles and advanced technologies. Molecular scanning uses scanning technology to map the human body at the cellular level and identify damaged or diseased areas. Cellular regeneration. Once the problem is identified, medbeds could stimulate the body's cells to begin the process of self-repair, triggering tissue regeneration. Quantum therapy. This involves the use of specific energy frequencies to bring the body back into a state of balance, facilitating healing. Holography and artificial intelligence. The use of holograms and AI can help create a visual representation of the body's condition, providing real-time feedback and personalizing treatments. This section can be detailed with examples of how each technology could be implemented and the type of results expected. 3. Benefits over traditional medicine. Medbeds offer potential benefits over traditional methods of treatment, rapid and non-invasive treatments. They would allow faster healing, avoiding the need for complex and painful surgeries. Regeneration of organs. The potential to regenerate damaged organs, tissues, and even correct genetic defects would represent a huge step forward in medicine. Personalization of care. With scanning technologies and artificial intelligence, medbeds can offer treatments tailored to each patient's specific condition. Reduction of side effects. Because they work at the cellular and molecular level, medbeds could reduce the risk of side effects related to traditional drugs or surgeries. 4. Future perspectives. The road to the medicine of the future. The use of medbeds could lead to some major transformations in healthcare. Global access to advanced care. As technology spreads, advanced care could become accessible worldwide, breaking down economic and geographic barriers. Reducing healthcare costs. Although technology might initially be expensive, in the long run it could reduce overall healthcare costs by decreasing the number of surgeries and drug treatments needed. 4. Future prospects. The road to the medicine of the future. The use of medbeds could lead to some major transformations in healthcare. Global access to advanced care. As technology spreads, advanced care could become accessible worldwide, breaking down economic and geographic barriers. Reducing healthcare costs. Although technology might initially be expensive, in the long run it could reduce overall healthcare costs by decreasing the number of surgeries and drug treatments needed. Treatment of chronic diseases. Medbeds could provide new options for managing chronic diseases, improving the quality of life for millions of people. Ethics and regulation. It is also important to discuss the ethical and regulatory implications related to these technologies, particularly in relation to their access, use, and possible risks. 1. What is a medbed? An even more detailed overview. Medbeds are often described as futuristic therapeutic beds, capable of providing comprehensive diagnosis and treatment at the cellular and molecular levels. They are considered a synthesis of advanced technologies, including medical holography. Medbeds could use three-dimensional medical holograms that provide a detailed map of the patient's body, allowing healthcare providers to identify and analyze every detail with extreme precision. Energy and quantum frequencies. This aspect concerns the use of electromagnetic frequencies to restore balance to the body's cells. According to proponents, each cell and organ has a specific frequency that can be rebalanced to stimulate healing. This technology promises not only to heal diseases and injuries, but also to regenerate organs and tissues, correct congenital deformities and even erase traumatic memories in the brain. The idea behind med beds is to overcome the limitations of traditional medicine by introducing a whole new way of thinking about health and healing. 2. How they work. A more technical look at the technology. One fascinating aspect of med beds is their combination of advanced technologies, molecular scanning and diagnostics. Med beds would use advanced scanning technologies, similar to an MRI scan, but with a much finer level of detail. Molecular scanning can identify damaged cells, tumors, infections, and genetic abnormalities with unimaginable precision. Once the body is scanned, the med bed generates a detailed diagnostic report. Cellular regeneration. After diagnosis, med beds would use cell stimulation techniques based on electromagnetic energy and low-intensity lasers to regenerate damaged tissues. For example, in the case of diseased organs, the technology could stimulate cells to regenerate, restoring the organ to its original state. Frequency and light therapy. Frequency therapy is based on the idea that every cell in the body has its own natural frequency. Disease occurs when these frequencies are altered. Medbed would correct these frequencies, bringing the body back to a state of balance. In addition, light at certain wavelengths could be used to speed up the healing process by improving blood circulation and stimulating the immune system. 3. Advantages over traditional medicine. A deeper perspective. Traditional medicine relies mainly on surgeries, drugs and therapies that are often invasive and can have side effects. Medbeds, on the other hand, offer a number of unique advantages. Personalized treatment. With built-in artificial intelligence and holographic scanning, medbeds provide a personalized treatment plan that fits each patient's unique needs. Reduced pain and convalescence. Medbed treatments are designed to be non-invasive, meaning no cuts, sutures or painful recovery periods are required. Treatment of chronic diseases. One of the greatest challenges of traditional medicine is the management of chronic diseases. Medbeds could offer regenerative treatments that address the root cause of chronic conditions, such as diabetes, arthritis, cardiovascular disease, and even some forms of cancer. 4. Future prospects. Let's explore the potential global impact of medbeds. The impact of medbeds could be revolutionary, transforming the way we perceive and practice medicine. Universal access to care. If medbeds become widely available, they could reduce health disparities globally. The idea is to provide advanced, personalized care in every part of the world, even in less developed regions. Ethics and regulation. The spread of medbeds raises important ethical questions. For example, who would have access to these technologies? What would be the implications of organ regeneration and cellular manipulation? Regulation of this technology will be crucial to ensure that it is used ethically and safely. Interaction with traditional medicine. Medbeds are not meant to completely replace conventional methods, but rather to integrate with them. Collaboration between conventional and quantum medicine could lead to new therapeutic approaches, providing more effective and comprehensive treatments. 5. Insights into related technologies. Grounding, far infrared and vibrational therapy. Grounding. Proponents of medbeds emphasize the role of grounding, which involves connecting the body with the Earth's surface to absorb electrons from the Earth, helping to reduce inflammation and pain. Some variations of medbeds include surfaces that simulate grounding to promote overall well-being. Far infrared therapy. Far infrared therapy is another technology integrated into medbeds. Infrared is used to penetrate tissues and improve circulation, relieving pain and accelerating muscle recovery. Vibrational therapy. Another component is the use of specific vibrations to stimulate healing processes. Vibration promotes relaxation and cellular regeneration, promoting a better body response to treatments. Can you explain how medbeds could revolutionize the field of regenerative medicine? Medbeds represent a revolutionary technology in the field of regenerative medicine because of their ability to work at the cellular level. Using a combination of molecular scanning, quantum therapy and cellular regeneration, medbeds are designed to diagnose and treat a wide range of diseases. They can accelerate the tissue healing process, regenerate organs and correct genetic defects, taking medicine to a level never seen before. What are the main challenges this technology faces before it becomes an affordable reality? The main challenges are both technical and regulatory. On the technological side, we need to develop machines that can work accurately at the cellular level, and this requires years of research and clinical trials. On the regulatory side, we need to establish regulations to ensure that these technologies are used ethically and safely. Accessibility and cost are also key factors to consider in making this technology available to a broad audience.
If you enjoyed this documentary, give it a thumbs up and subscribe to the channel to not miss any updates. See you soon.